Coming in for the pit stop. Come on, Eddie. Eddie, stop right there. Stop. You guys, hey, you guys crashed into the pit stop. That's not how you do it. Here. Oh no. Okay. So now we have to do the pit stop.
For me, I got
Pit crew. No, here, we're gonna actually, here. You have to jack up the car. Lift it up. Lift it up and put that under. Can you lift it up? Okay. Now, here. Put that on there and take off that bolt.
You got first cut, Paka.
No, you're gonna hurt yourself. Okay, so we'll use this one first. Okay.
No, Jimmy, remember when it gets
Lefty
tight enough,
Lucy.
then you can just push it and then it's
No, the other way.
Whee, whee, whee.
Okay. I'm gonna loosen the other side real quick so we can just use the drill when we get there. Okay, now put that back on the drill. Stop. Okay, now. Super fast pit crew. Nope, straight on. Straight on. Go ahead. Okay.
That was quick.
Now, when we take this stuff off, we need to be careful to get all the parts right.
Whee!
So the first thing, look at this. The first thing is that nut. So we're gonna now pull the wheel off slowly in case there's any other stuff. All right. Now wait. We're gonna put that in there.
Wait.
Wait.
I want to show people something.
Okay, you can.
Then the wheel, and then you get that.
Okay.
And then you put that in there.
All right. So there is then another bearing. Can you pull that off, or is it stuck?
When mine fits, I get to help Jimmy compare his.
Do you want? Maybe you could do the other side. Now slowly pull that. That's a bearing. We're gonna pull that off and put it there. And now look, here's another. See how that washer is cone shaped?
Yeah.
Look, the round part's on the outside. So we have to remember that. Set it right here, not in the tire.
Oh.
These are the things in order. Is there anything else? No. Okay. So here's what we need to do then. We have all the new parts. First the cone one, right? Which direction does it go?
Yeah.
Nice. Then what happens?
And this.
Okay, except for these, it's still on there. It's already in there. Put it on there. And then, wait a minute. Then, so a washer.
A washer.
And then the nut.
And then the nut.
Okay, after you get that started with your hand.
Wrong way or right way?
I think here. There you go. Okay, stop. Pull it out. Okay, now do you guys want to switch for the other wheel? Or
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You ready to be the pit crew on this side, Eddie?
Yes. I want to tell them. See it going this way? See it going that way? See it really was. See it going this way? That's righty tighty. This is lefty loosey.
Okay. Let's get down there and take that wheel off. Pit crew.
See?
Oh, that one's all clean and new. And it's round. Look at the difference. Back up a little bit, Eddie. Look at how this one's round, higher in the middle, and this one's all worn down so much that it's out of shape.
This one's out of shape too. I guess there's more for me and Daddy, right? You have to be kind of I bite.
Coming off, Eddie? Let's see. Let's see. Yep, see, look. It's in there.
Whoa.
Okay, so we put that there first. Let's move this.
See, this one is. Wait a minute.
Yep, leave it right there so we remember the order of things. Where did you put it? Right there. Then the washer. See, right? Then the washer. Let Eddie do it, please. Take the wheel off, Eddie.
No, wait. Wait. Don't
Good job.
forget we
Go ahead
need
and
to
pull it.
ply.
Not this one. Here, bring it off, Eddie. Just pull it straight off, both hands. It's not an unscrew thing. There you go. Let's set this right like that.
Down.
Now, take that cone-shaped one off.
Wait, I forgot. We need to take this off, right?
Nope. The other one just fell apart. It's not supposed to do that. So put the cone one back on.
Here, Parker.
Now the new wheel.
That. The new wheel goes on, right? Wheel. I don't know which way. Anyway? Nope.
This way. Okay, now the washer.
That goes right. What? This.
And now put that on.
What's this called again?
That's a nut.
Yeah. This is a screwy thing, right?
Yep.
Washer's
Can you get it on there? Can you get it started?
I can't do it anymore.
Let's see. Let me see. That's started. Okay, so now we're going to need to back yourself up a little bit. Make sure that's on straight. There you go. Pull the trigger. There you go. Awesome. Okay.
Now, are we going to throw these away?
Nope. Okay, so are you ready to pull out of your pit stop? Get in the seat.
My seat? This seat?
Yep.
Why?
Because you're going to pull out of your pit stop. You just got a new tire change.
Oh, wait. You can't pull out yet. You have to remove it.
I was going to let you do that right before we left.
Ah!
Okay. All right, Eddie.
Let me test this straight out.
Okay. Come on this way. Go that way.
Man.
Go this way.
Ooh. Whoa.
All right. Awesome.
They were getting rusty.
Thank you so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe to see more videos of Jimmy and Eddie.